Hi, welcome back to the Mass and Change Lab. This is our third mini lab. It is known as Precipitate formation. You will notice on screen that I have two empty beakers. I also have two flasks containing two different solutions. Solution A, notice it is colorless, looks like water. Solution B, also colorless, looks like water. I'm going to place both beakers on the balance, and you will notice that the collective mass is 101.22. I'm going to add 2 squirts of solution A in the beaker on the left and 2 squirts of solution B on the beaker on the right. You will now notice that the balance changed because we added mass, the 2 solutions. So now the mass of the beakers together with the solutions is 109.99 grams. In order to create the precipitate, I'm going to pour 1 beaker into the other, but leave both beakers on the balance. We will see what happens to the mass. Uh-oh, I must have done something wrong. It changed yellow. What you see there is known as a precipitate, and while that looks like a liquid, it is actually a solid. Notice that the mass has not changed. It is still 109.99 grams. All right, guys, this is the precipitate forming. If you look carefully at the bottom of that beaker, you can see that it is a solid. A precipitate is a solid formed when 2 water-based solutions react together. So even though that looked like it was a liquid, it is a solid. The liquid is yellow because the particles are so tiny and still floating there. Given enough time, it will all settle to the bottom.